Hey y'all. Okay, I did my last fall DIY, I believe. I did this one for my mama. When she was up here one day, she saw these pumpkin signs from the Dollar Tree and just fell in love with them. She didn't want me to change the blessed anyway or anything. So I decided to make her a centerpiece with them. Hope y'all like it. Okay, showing y'all what I'm using. I had 3 of them little palette things from Dollar Tree and 2 of them cute elbows from Dollar Tree, and that stuff from Dollar Tree, and the pumpkins from Dollar Tree. The baby wipes from CVS, and the stuff there, black stuff from Walmart. I ended up using some flowers, some from Dollar Tree, some from Hobby Lobby, and some from the At Home store. But most of the basics of it are from a Dollar Tree. I'm just using the baby wipe technique with this wax stuff. Didn't do as much on that in there because this is the inside one. I just did it a little bit. Wanted the other 2 that was the outside to be a little bit darker. Don't take much of that stuff, huh? It goes a long way. Wish that's good. Good for your money anyway. I hope she likes this. I think it turns out really pretty. I believe she will. Next week, I'm going to be starting some Christmas stuff. And I just took those little bows that come with it off. And then I decided to use some of that antique wax stuff on the pumpkin too. Just to do a little bit of something to it. Didn't want to change it much because she liked it so well. But I just wanted to give it a little something. So I did some of that all around the edges and up by the little stem and on the little lines of the pumpkin. Just to add a little bit of something to it. I'm glad to be starting Christmas next week. I think it's gonna be fun. Some of the stuff I'm doing ain't actual crafts. I'm gonna be making some cards, but then I'll be doing some crafts and some scrap wood projects and stuff like that. It's gonna be cool. I did a lot of videos this week, but I was trying to get to where I could get to Christmas. I'm almost done with this part. It didn't change it much, but it's a little bit different. And I'm gonna hot glue my little elbows on there. Those are cute. And y'all, I do not know how to dovetail a bow. I thought I was doing what I seen y'all do, but you'll see here in a minute. It did not turn out right. Maybe somebody can tell me what I did. Maybe I cut it backwards, or I don't know. Mine goes to a point instead of dovetailing. I just went with it. My mama won't care. I need to make them shorter so you can see the blessed word. So they all the same anyway, even if they're not exactly right. And then I started adding my leaves up there around the bows to make it look pretty. I just love fall. All the colors and the cooler weather helps my hot flashes. Can't wait to go out and start taking pictures when the leaves change. Which they started here just a little bit, not a lot, because we're in Georgia and it takes us longer, but they are starting. Hopefully it'll be pretty soon. I did some of the leaves. Looks pretty. Then I gotta put my little palette box thing together. It goes between them. I just used hot glue. I think it'll stay good enough sitting on her table. And who knows, she may want to take it apart eventually and do a different craft with it. They like doing stuff too, her and my brother. And I'm going to glue the pumpkins, one on each end. Yeah, I forgot to paint or add paper or something to the inside, but oh well. It don't look too bad, and you cover most of it up with flowers anyway. If I make another one, I do need to remember that though. Fighting that hot glue again. That stuff just goes everywhere. Okay, now I'm gluing that side on. Seems to be holding together pretty good though. I've carried it back and forth 2 or 3 times now. There it is. Adding some of that placemat down in there. Just give it some color, I guess. Had to cut it off a little bit. And then I cut them pieces of styrofoam from some we got in a box of something we bought. Used it in there to stick stuff to. Some of it just sticks right down in it. Some of it I have to hot glue. Now I'm just putting the leaves and all that around in there. It looks pretty just cause all them colors are pretty. I think anything falls pretty just because it's so colorful. Took me a while to add everything, but when it gets done, it looks pretty. This is not a cheap DIY. This is kind of expensive once you add everything up. Not outrageous or nothing, but a little more expensive than if it was all Dollar Tree stuff. But I did have a basket of leaves left over, so you know that was okay. All of these was just leftovers from other little things I did. I added one piece of that corn in there. I thought it looked cool, although you can't see it much in the end, but it's in there anyway. I'm getting there, getting everything covered. Y'all can't see it too good, but you know what I'm doing. I tried to speed it up for you so you didn't have to watch all my fiddling. There, it's coming together. On the other side, I wanted more leaves on the front. Help cover up them holes I forgot to fill in. I'll remember all this stuff one of these days. It ends up looking actually better with some more leaves, so happy accident there. I'm glad I had all them leaves left over. Didn't have to go buy stuff. I got a floor full of stuff anyway. I don't need to buy none now. Now I'm adding the flowers that I got at the at-home store. Well, that little red one there I got at Dollar Tree. But them others I got at home store. They're pretty. They was on sale. Half off or something, I think. But they was like $66 for each big old long stem. That wasn't too terrible. Not when you cut them off and use stuff separately anyway. I just thought they was so pretty. The orange and yellows especially. They look nice. But I thought it did need a little bit of that darker color in there to add something to it. So I was glad I had those. And the leaf, give it a little bit more green. There ain't a lot in there, but a little. Fiddle, fiddle, fiddle. Yeah, stick them all in there. Find a place they'll work. I do all this, fiddle with it, and then end up not liking it. And here I'm going to change some stuff here in just a minute. I thought once I got it done, it was too full. So I went back and take a little bit out and rearrange a little bit. Then I like it better. Now see, here we go. took that one out, put that in back over there. Then I needed a different color. There we go. I like that better. Get it situated. Thank y'all so much for watching the video. And I will see you next week with Christmas stuff. Bye-bye.